जीवों की जब सौभाग्य उदाई होता है,
when the good fortune arises for the living entity,
तब जीव साधु संग
then the
में
jiva
हरि कथा में रुचि रहे।
has taste for sadhusanga and harikatha.
विसक्सेन कथासु न पदे यदि गति श्रम एव ही केवलम। श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद
Shukadeva Goswami Pad says,
महाराज परीक्षित,
hey Maharaj Parikshit,
विसक्सेन भगवान की कथा में यदि रुचि नहीं हो,
if you don't have taste for
तो उनके जितने भी कर्म क्रिया
if you don't have taste for harikatha, everything they do is useless,
मूल नहीं
no value.
है। यह तो भी चार वर्ण और चार आश्रम में यदि ठीक से वर्णाश्रम धर्म पालन
Eu tô gravando a minha tradução, minha internet não tá funcionando aqui.
क्योंकि यदि भगवत भजन नहीं
If
करें,
you're following the 4 ashrams, 4 varnas, but you're not doing bhajan and you don't have taste for harikatha,
उनकी सभी व्यर्थ कहा जाता है।
everything is useless. Ai, seu vídeo?
क्योंकि
Internet não tá funcionando.
वर्णाश्रम धर्म
Grava
पालन
mesmo.
केवल मनुष्य में ही दिखा जाता है। इसमें वर्णाश्रम धर्म समझ में आता है कि नहीं?
So, human beings, they follow varnashram dharma. How many varnas and how many ashrams are there? Tell me.
है? चार क्या है?
So, when a lot of good fortune arises, a living entity has taste for harikatha. So, there are 4 varnas and 4 ashrams.
और सन्यासी, वानप्रस्थी, गृहस्थ और ब्रह्मचारी। ये चार
So, there are 4
वर्ण और चार
varnas and 4 ashrams.
इसके भी अलावा एक भी कहा जाता है कि अंतज कहा जाता है। अंतज
Also, there is the antaja. Antaja is
ये
some,
वर्णाश्रम में
one
जो पालन नहीं कर
outside
पाते, इसके कहा जाता है
this
अंतज
system because the person is not following any of these rules of the varnashram. This person is called antaja.
ब्रह्मचारी अथवा वानप्रस्थी
पारी in
सन्यासी
Portuguese.
के नहीं रहते हैं, मतलब ब्राह्मण क्षेत्र
पारी.
में से शूद्र में भी नहीं रहते। माने कोई आश्रम धर्म पालन नहीं करते हैं, उसके कहा जाता है
So, somebody who does not follow any varna and not ashram, he's called antaja.
किंतु श्रीमद् भागवत में भी कहते हैं ऐसे
Srimad Bhagavata explains,
अंतज यदि भी
even if the antaja associates with the sadhu,
वो भी
antaja, parya,
भगवत धर्म के
associates with the sadhus, antyaja, he'll be able to attain
देखो
Bhagavan.
प्रहलाद महाराज कौन सा कुल में जन्म लिया था
Prahlada Maharaj
हैं?
was born in which family? Family of demons.
किंतु आज सब लोग प्रहलाद की पूजा करते हैं,
But today everyone is worshipping Prahlada.
हिरण्यकशिपु की पूजा नहीं करते,
Nobody worships Hiranyakashipu.
उसके पिताजी के कोई पूजा नहीं करते थे।
Nobody worships his father Hiranyakashipu, but everyone worships Prahlada. Why?
प्रहलाद भागवत भक्त थे। अच्छा,
Because Prahlada was a
भगवत भक्त
devotee
कैसे
of
बन
Lord.
गए?
How Prahlada became a devotee of Lord?
हैं? बताओ।
Tell me how Prahlada became a devotee.
गुरु की कृपा से। नारद जी के संग से
Because he associated with Narad.
प्रहलाद महाराज स्वयं कह रहे हैं,
Prahlada Maharaj himself
ये
said,
मैं जब मातृ गर्भ में था
when I was in the womb of my
और
mother,
उसी समय
That
गुरु नारद
moment.
ऋषि के संग मुझे
I got association of Narada Rishi,
सत्संग,
association of the sadhu.
ये नारद ऋषि के संग तो कैसे कि ना हरि कथा है? सब कुछ काम कर लिया किंतु हरि कथा
So he
नहीं
did
सुना।
everything but didn't hear Harikatha.
कुछ इसे कहते हैं
Cannot get anything from that.
विसक्सेन कथासु न पले यदि हृदि श्रम एव ही
Everything you do is useless if you don't have taste
यदि
for
विसक्सेन
Harikatha.
भगवान की कथा में रुचि न हो
If you don't have taste for Harikatha of Bhagavan Vishwakshena, but you did everything else,
और मृत्यु के समय भी
in the time of the death,
भगवत नाम भी नहीं है।
the holy names will not come in your mouth.
एक व्यक्ति मरने वाला था,
There's one person who was about to
उनके
die.
4 बेटा था,
He had 4 sons.
एक बेटा के नाम था राम
One of his sons' name
और
was
बाकी
Ram.
बेटा के नाम था
And
हाकू
the
बाकू
other
डाकू।
sons' names was Haku, Baku, Daku, Chaku. It's crazy names people put in their sons.
तो वो व्यक्ति मरने के समय
So this person, in the time of his
अपने
death,
बड़े बेटा राम था,
his older son
सारे
was
बेटा को
Ram.
बुलाया क्योंकि
So he
राम
called
को
all
बुलाया।
his sons except for Ram.
राम नाम उच्चारण
That's
नहीं
the
हुआ।
name. He called all the sons except for Ram because he could not
सारे
pronounce the
उनके
name of
परिवार
Ram.
कहेंगे, पिताजी
All his
आपके
family
बड़े
told,
बेटे के नाम बताओ।
Father, tell the name of your older son. But he couldn't even tell the
और
name of his
बेटा के
son.
नाम हाकू बाकू डाकू सबके नाम बता
He was able to tell the name of all other sons like Haku, Baku, Daku, Chaku.
किंतु अपने बड़े बेटे राम नाम उच्चारण नहीं हुआ।
But he couldn't pronounce the name of his older son.
क्यों?
Why?
इसलिए स्वयं भगवान अर्जुन के कहते हैं
Swayam Bhagavan told Arjun,
सत जन्मई जो पुमान वासुदेव समर्चित तन्मुखे हरिनाम तिष्ठन्ति भारत। ये भारत है अर्जुन।
Hey Arjun, Krishna told Arjun, Bharat Arjun.
100 जन्म
Those for 100 lives, they have worshipped Vasudeva Bhagavan.
वासुदेव समर्चित तन्मुखे हरिनाम तिष्ठन्ति भारत।
Those who have for 100 lives worshipped Vasudeva Bhagavan, they will be able to chant the holy names. The holy names will appear in their mouth. Another point, whatever you're doing in this life, in the time of the death, that same habit, that habit you have will come for you, depending on what you did. For example, Bharat Maharaj, he had left his family to do the bhajan. But he was attached to a deer. And in the next life, he had to be born as a deer. He did so much bhajan and sadhan. So he did so much bhajan and sadhana, but because he was attached to the baby deer, he was born in deer next life. But those who are not doing the bhajan, they are staying in the material world, material family. What will happen to them after that? What will happen to them? So in one life you have to create this habit, some practice. In one life you have to have some practice. Do Bhagavad bhajan. Chanting the holy name slowly, slowly. Then in the time of the death, you'll be able to remember Bhagavan. In the Gita, Bhagavan says, the end of your life, whatever the human being thinks when he's living up his body, after death, that body he will attain. Do you have dogs? Do you have dogs? Does anyone here have dogs? So dogs and cows in the road. Cow is okay. Cow is a mother cow. If you take care of cow, it's very good to have a cow. If you take care of a cow, in the body of the cow, there are 33 times 10 millions of demigods. 10 milhões vezes 33. So, people here worship cows or not? They worship the cows. Bhagavan himself, he also used to take care of cows. That's why Krishna's name is Gopal. Go means cow, Pal means taking care, keeping. Krishna, so we should not take care of dogs. Who has dogs? The Antaja, these people who are outside the Vedic system, who does not follow any rules, they have dogs. Because the dogs, Shastra explains, dogs are impure animals. Actually, a good Muslim also does not keep dogs. Like I go to Malaysia, for example. Even the Muslims of Malaysia, they also do not have dogs in their house. They say also this. They are Muslims, but they don't have dogs. Because the dogs are also taken as impure. So the human beings, in the time of the death, whatever he thinks when he's giving up his body, in the next life he'll get that thing only. Actually, it determines what birth you'll get in the next life. Which body will get in your next life. You have attachment to whom? To God, to Bhakti, okay. In the Gita, Bhagavan says, if you think about me in the time of your death, then you'll attend to me.
इसलिए मृत्यु के समय
In the time of
दो
death,
अक्षर
only 2 syllables must be in your mouth. That's it. The name of Ram and the name of Krishna. This is it. That's it.
क्योंकि यदि अभ्यास नहीं
But if you don't never had this practice, this habit of like chanting holy names, these will never come in your mouth. So remember, that man had 4 sons. Only one of the sons, the older son, was Ram. The other 3 sons, they had name Haku, Baku, Daku. Like he was able to speak these other names, Haku, Baku, Daku, but not the name of Ram. He was able to speak the other names, which actually had no good meaning, just not spiritual names. But when he was time to speak the older son's name, Ram, he said, I cannot speak all this name. He was able to speak all that, including he spoke, I cannot speak this name. But he couldn't speak the name, Ram. So in one life, you just do the bhajan. Okay, you are in a family, with your family, okay. Stay with your family, but do the bhajan. There were 2 brothers in a house, in a family. So the older brother used to respect the saints. And the younger brother was atheist. In some families it's like this. The one brother used to do bhajan, and the other brother even just sing the saints, just like a buffalo, he would become angry. This other brother. Some people are like this, yes. In some families you can see this is happening. I also see, I go to this family's house also sometimes. Okay, so the older brother used to respect and honor the saints. But the younger brother, if the saint would come, he would even lock the door and start to watch TV inside. He wouldn't even hear the katha of the saint. He would put the sound of the TV, turning on the sound of the TV a lot, so that just that the sound of the voice of the saint will not come to him. Anyway, after the Harikatha, the saint spoke Bhagavad Katha in the house of the person. Told one story of Narada Rishi. Which Katha of Narada Rishi? Narada Rishi told his life history to Vyasadeva. Narada told Vyasadeva, in the previous life, I was the son of a maidservant, Dasiputra. And from my childhood, I was orphan of my father. My father died. So my mother, she used to take care of me when I was 5 years old. One day, in the time of the Chaturmasya, 4 months, just now these 4 months passed, some saints, they came next to my village, and the saints stayed there doing the bhajan, and in the evening time, the saints used to speak Harikatha. My mother, every day, in the evening time, she used to come to the saints to listen to Harikatha. My mother, she used to serve the saints. She used to sweep. Whatever the saints used to sit, my mother used to sweep a bit there. And every day I used to come with my mother. At that time I was 5 years old. And you know the Achaman Patra, the Achaman pot of the saints, I also used to clean it for them. And when the saints used to take prasadam, I used to put the plates for them. You know, a small kid, what can he do? The saints, they became so pleased with me. Why? How the saints become pleased with us? You tell me. Harikatha, listen to Harikatha. Do you know which service you can do for the saints that will be pleased with you? If you listen to his Harikatha. How Shukadeva became pleased with Parikshit? Because Parikshit heard his Harikatha. If you don't listen to Harikatha, the saint will not be pleased. You cooked very well, you fed the saint, but that saint is not a proper saint, he's just an enjoyer if he's only liking the food. So sadhu and swadu. Sadhu is like a saint, and swadu, somebody who is enjoying tastes. So a sadhu is who is listening to my katha. So the saint rejects those who are not listening to the Harikatha. He'll think this person is useless. Do you understand?
क्यों संत महात्मा इतने दूर से किस लिए
Because
आते
the
हैं?
saint came from so far for eating here. Do you think he wants to eat here?
खाने की कोई कमी है क्या?
Do you think that he needs food? He needs your
अरे
food?
ब्रज जैसी भूमि है,
Braj is such a
ब्रज में
land.
स्वयं राधा जी भी
Shrimati
संत महात्मा
Radhika
की
herself,
खिलाने के लिए
she is there ready to feed the saints.
भजन कर रही थी।
Like
और
Group
स्वयं
Sanatan, they are
राधा
doing
जी
bhajan.
उनके लिए क्या बना?
Shrimati Radhika herself made the sweet rice for them.
देखो,
You see,
खाने की कमी नहीं है।
there's no lack for food. There's no food lacking for sadhus. If you go to Braj, there's so much food that you get, you have no idea. Never food is lacking.
खाना मिलता है। गाय की भी पूरे खाना।
Even the cow here is taking also getting food.
गाय समय पर है, लोग घास लेकर के बैठा हुए हैं। कोई आएगा उसको
Like the cow is there, and they already have some grass, and the cow comes, people buy and give the grass to the cow. I saw.
खाने किसी की खाने की कम नहीं, भगवान
There's
ने
no
तो
lack
दौड़ दे
of
दिया,
food
पेड़
for
दे दिया।
anyone.
और पेड़ देने के साथ ही साथ
God gave us
भगवान
belly,
क्या-
and at the same time, He gave us the stomach, and also He arranged the food for us. God.
हमारे जन्म लेने के पहले
See,
ही
before
माँ ने-
we were born,
भगवान ने क्या किया?
Bhagavan
माँ के
already
सर में दूध भेज
sent the milk in the breast of our mother. Food for us already kept there.
खाने
Wasn't
की
it?
कोई कमी नहीं है।
There's no lack of
इसलिए
food.
नारद ऋषि कह रहे हैं,
So Narada
अपने
Rishi
जीवन
told,
चरित कर रहे
in
हैं,
his life history, he
संत
told,
महात्मा मेरे ऊपर इसलिए प्रसन्न हो
the
गए,
saints, they were pleased with me
मैं
because I used to listen to Harikatha so attentively.
मैं श्रवण करता हूँ।
I used to hear Harikatha in a super attentive
इसलिए
way.
संत महात्मा ने मुझे भी
That's why
मंत्र
the
भी
saints,
दिया।
they give me a mantra
क्या
as well.
मंत्र दिया?
Which mantra?
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ऐसे करते करते
So in this way,
4 महीने बीत
4
गए।
months passed.
और हर रोज मेरे संत महात्मा में प्रति
Every day, so I started to like so much the saints.
4-5 साल की बात है।
So I was only 5.
मैं चाहता था संत महात्मा के पास रहूं,
I wanted to stay with the saints always.
किंतु मेरे माँ
But my mother,
शाम होने के साथ ही साथ
whenever
मुझे
used to
पकड़ करके ले जाते
be
थे।
at
मैं
night
रोता
time, evening, she used to take me forcefully away, and I used to
मैं
cry.
रोता था,
I used to cry
मैं संत महात्मा के साथ रहूं।
because I wanted to stay with the saints.
छोटा बालक है ना, जहाँ पर
You know,
आदर
small
है,
boy.
प्रीति है,
A small boy likes to stay when there is love and affection, where there is the love and affection.
उनके माँ
But his mother forcefully used to catch him and take him away.
नारद ऋषि हर रोज भगवान के
Narada Rishi
प्रार्थना
every
करते
day
थे।
was praying, was used to pray to
ये
Lord.
मेरे माँ संत महात्मा के
My
साथ
mother is an
रहने
obstacle for me to
नहीं।
stay with the saints because she's not allowing me to stay with
भगवान
them.
एक दिन कथा सुन लिया।
One day Bhagavan heard my prayer.
एक दिन
So
शाम के
one day
समय
in the evening time, like sunset
सूर्यास्त हो गया
time,
है।
after the
उस
sun
समय
had
नारद
set,
ऋषि ने मेरे माँ
Narada Rishi told my mother was milking a cow,
और इतने समय
and
पीछे से
then
आकर
from
के
back
एक काले
a
सांप
black snake came.
जांच दिया। और मेरे माँ
And my mother-
समझो मेरे माँ
My mother,
बोले मैं आनंद
my mother fell dead, and I was so happy. My mother died, and I was so happy. Narada told, why?
आज से कोई मुझे रोकेगा
From
नहीं।
today on, nobody will stop me.
मैं सदा सर्वदा संत महात्मा
I'll be
यहाँ
able
पर
to always
विराजमान
go
होते।
where the saints are staying.
देखो नारद ऋषि उसी समय 5 साल के बाद
Narada
नारद
Rishi was
ऋषि
5.
करें, मैं घर छोड़ करके
But at that time he left his
जहाँ जहाँ
house
संत
and he used to
महात्मा
stay with the saints. Wherever the saints used to stay, he used to go there.
हैं? अरे फोन डाल दो बाद में करना
Later you speak on the phone.
हैं? हाँ सत्संग में हरि कथा सुनो
Yes.
जो
In
फोन में आ जाए
Satsanga.
उसको लगा दो बोले ये हरि कथा
So
सुनो।
if somebody calls you during Harikatha, you just put the speaker and so that he can also listen to the Harikatha and he'll get
नारद ऋषि
benefit.
करने लगे जहाँ जहाँ सब संत महात्मा रहते थे मैं वहीं पर
So Narada said I used to stay where the saints were,
और अंत काल में
and in the end
मंत्र सिद्धि करके मैं साक्षात भगवत धाम को
I obtained perfection in the
मेरे
mantra and
इसलिए
I
कार्य
attained
संत
the abode
महात्मा
of Lord.
प्रसन्न किससे होते हैं?
So the saints, they become pleased if you hear
तो
Harikatha.
अभी मैं जो कथा सुना उसके 2 भाई था
So the two
बड़े
brothers,
भाई बड़े भाई थे
older brother and younger brother. So the older brother had love for the saints, but the younger brother was completely atheist, against.
सुनता नहीं था सुनता तो बहुत दूर की बात
What to
है
speak of hearing
संत
Harikatha?
महात्मा घर में आने से ही वो
If the saint would come in his house,
टीवी चला देते
he
थे
used to switch on the TV
और टीवी चला करके
and put
कहीं संत महात्मा
so
के
loud,
कान में न पड़
just
जाए।
that you do not listen the voice of
लोग
the
बोलते हैं,
saints.
बोले, सुनेंगे नहीं
Some people, they don't want to hear it.
हैं?
They don't want to hear it.
संत महात्मा के वाणी
They don't want to hear the words of the saints.
उद्धार होना नहीं चाहते
they don't want to be delivered. Okay, but the heart of the saints is like the butter. Their heart is like the butter. Tulsidas says, the butter, if you take the butter in your hands, because of the heat of your body, the butter will melt. But the saints, just by seeing the suffering of others, their heart melts. Their unlimited living entities wandering. Not for only one life, they already had so many lives, you don't know. You were already asses, donkeys. You don't know. Donkey. In how many births you already were pigs, hogs, dogs, donkeys, asses. Asses means dog. Donkey. You actually were so beaten so much. If somebody has a cow, you give some food to the cow. If you are born as a cow, you get some food. But they're selling the grass. People buy grass and feed cows. Nobody feed donkeys. If you are born as a donkey, you'll not get food so much because actually nobody wants to feed you. So, but you already was born as a donkey. You were born as a donkey. The owner of the donkey put him to work whole day, then evening time, beat him and kick him out and send him to the market. And then there is some like maybe paper on the ground of the market. And then the donkey just eats like paper or something he found. And then next day again his owner put him so much loads on his back and force him to work. Actually, our life is also so many lives we were donkeys and so many lives we were donkeys. But you don't know. But if you analyze inside, you will see. If you think, if you like try to realize internally, you'll realize how many lives you're already buffalo, hogs, dogs, animals, lions also have already you don't want to see yourself, that's why you cannot see yourself, because you don't want to see it. But see from internal vision, antardrisha, internal vision. Then you'll be able to see everything. So the saint said, this is so foolish. I came to his house to benefit him. But he's inside the TV. He locked the door so that the saint will not come, and he put the TV super loud. Lock? He locked the door from inside. So everybody took the prasada and everybody left from the program in the house. But the saint felt some compassion for that person. The saint thought, everyone in his family is so nice. His parents, his brothers, everyone is good. But this person is like crazy, a madman. But I want to give some benefit to him. The saints, they want to give blessing to everyone. They worry about everyone. The saints, they worry about everyone. So it was time to go. So he just asked, what is your younger brother? The older brother told Maharaj, don't ask about him. He's sitting in the room watching TV with the door locked. The same thought, no problem. He's ignorant what to do. Without sadhusanga, you cannot get the discrimination, the proper knowledge, and you cannot get the sadhusanga without the mercy of Ram. So he doesn't have yet the mercy of Ram. So what to do? So if you get the mercy of Bhagavan, then something is possible to happen. Without the desire of Lord, not even one leaf will move. Is it possible? You cannot even raise your own arm without the mercy of God. Still, the saints, he thought, okay, but before going, at least I want to speak to him something. So somehow he opened the door, like he was able to, the man opened the door for him, for the saint. So the saint told, oh my son, tell once the name of Ram. And the saint, he didn't say, and the saint caught his hands. Tell Ram, speak Ram. He also didn't say. And the saint said, okay, what to do? And the saint left. But the saint caught his hands. He said, speak Ram Ram, but he didn't say. But anyway, the saint left. After some time, the younger brother died. After death, you know, everybody must go to Jamalok. You have to go alone to be judged in the Jamalok. So the Chitragupta is there. Chitragupta, your history will be shown. How much money you got and how much you spent. Like all your history is there of all the sinful activities and all your pious deeds. He will not spare anyone. No one will be spared. So, Maharaj asked Chitragupta, okay, ask Chitragupta which papa and punya he did in his life. Chitragupta told Maharaj, he never did any punya in his life. He don't even want something donation to a saint he gave. Some people, they even steal the money of the saints. Some people, what speak of giving to the saints? They want to steal the money of the saints. They steal. Nobody's saying, I'll steal a little bit here, no problem. They gave donation, give to me, no problem. Nobody saw the donation. No problem. There's no sin or sinful activity, pious deeds. All this is useless talk. No consequence, nothing. Some atheists, they don't have faith. But whether you believe it or not, oh my brother, you have to get the consequence of your deeds. You have the right to perform karma, but Krishna will give you the fruit. Bhagavad Gita explains. So Chitragupta told Maharaj, this person is very evil. He never did any punya in his life. Any pious deeds, no deed. He didn't do only sins, drinking alcohol, only sinful activities. The man who went to die, younger brother. So because of this, also many sins, he will have to go to hell for a limited time. Hearing this, the heart of Jamaraj melted. He told, revise his history, check again the book of his activities. Look again, maybe something you can find. Maybe he did something good. You cannot say he didn't do anything good. No. But Chitragupta again analyzed, and he saw in one part was written that one saint came, and a saint had caught his hand. The saint had caught his hand. Yes. And these are already punya, pious deeds. Who stays in the heart of the saints? Bhagavan. Because God resides in the heart of the saints. Bhagavan is in the heart of the saints. God stays where? In the heart of the saints. Anyway, okay, you got a little bit punya because the saint touched your hands. These some pious deeds you got. Because of this, you will go for 24 minutes to Swargalok. And you will have to stay a limited time in the hell. Which one you want to go first? The person thought, I have to go to the hell for a limited time anyway. So let me at least see Swarga for 24 minutes. Let me check how it is Swarga. Okay, I want to go to Swarga first. Jamaraj told his messengers, okay, bring him there. Then Jamaraj said, listen carefully. For 24 minutes you'll be sent to Swarga. Come quickly and check the clock. Your watch, check the watch. So there's also a watch or a clock there on the wall of Swarga. Look at the clock on the wall, how much time passed. Have to come back in 24 minutes, huh? Okay, he went inside and he saw Swarga was so beautiful. Nandakana, Namrit, Bhojan, beautiful forest, amazing nectar. Everything was there. But also there was a Vishnu temple in Swarga. Just like here there are temples. In Swarga also, there is also a temple. Which temple in Swarga is there? Shama, you tell me. Vishnu Mandir, but which Vishnu? Upendra Bhagavan is there.
इंद्र के छोटे
The
भाई
younger brother of Indra is Vamanadeva
रूप
Bhagavan
में
in the form of Upendra.
उनकी
Vamanadeva.
माँ
Because
अदिति
Mother Aditi,
है, उपेंद्र के यही कहा बेटा
she told Upendra, oh my
है,
son,
तुम यहीं पर रहो,
stay here.
है। इसलिए स्वयं भगवान
That's why Swayam Bhagavan,
सर्वलोक में
Swayam Bhagavan also stays in Swargalok in the form of Upendra.
विष्णु मंदिर है
So there is also a Vishnu temple, and the deity name is Upendra. Brihad Bhagavatam explains, Sanatana Goswami describes.
वहीं पर विष्णु मंदिर है, संकट
So there is also a Vishnu temple with the
उपेंद्र भगवान
form of four arms of Vishnu.
किंतु मंदिर में कौन जाए
But who will go to the temple in Swargalok?
इतने भोग
There is so many sense gratification, and who will go to the temple?
आपके पास 10 करोड़ 20 करोड़
If we have
हो जाए
billions of rupees, will you go to the temple?
दुबई चले जाओ
You go to Dubai. If you have money, you go to Dubai to travel.
हाँ?
कमाने का मन ही नहीं करता पैसा
कमाने के लिए पैसे ही नहीं तो खर्च कैसे करें
You just think how to wait, how to
भाई
say,
परिवार के
who's-
लोग भी इतने पैसा
how to waste all this
खर्च
money.
कैसे करें
Because how to use all this money, so much money, how to use it. Yes,
आज नहीं उनके
how
जो
to spend, how to
private
spend all the
होते हैं
money,
ना, उनके पास
how to
सोने
spend
का
the money.
होता है।
Even their toilets is made of gold toilets.
गाड़ी जो होते हैं
Even their
गाड़ी
cars,
कितने करोड़
each
रुपए
car is like billions
है?
rupees.
आप कहाँ पर है हम कहाँ पर है
So they,
आप लोग कहाँ हैं
so
विचार करो।
think about their difference to us. They're completely another
आप
reality.
इतिहास के ऊपर देखो।
You can see in the history. You can check.
मैं स्वयं देख करके
I saw myself also. That's why I'm saying I saw myself their reality. Big, this Sahi Parivar, this like a royal family, like rich family. It's filthy rich families. Anyway, so imagine Swargaloka, you have to think about it. Gurudev one time told, in Hawaii, in America, Hawaii, the islands, Gurudev was there. One devotee told Maharaj,
गुरुदेव चले आपको ये दिखाते हैं कि वो मछली क्या मछली डॉल्फिन डॉल्फिन तो बड़ा बड़ा जो सबसे बड़ा मछली
I want to show you the whale. I want to show you a whale,
तो गुरुदेव
big mammal in the sea. Okay, so it was a rich person, so he took like the yacht or like a speedboat, something like that. Launch, I don't know how to say, a speedboat. So there was a big Gurudev Singh fish. So when he was coming out of the water,
पानी को ऐसे उछाल करके कम से कम कितने फुट ऊपर उठ जाता है
so many foots out of the water.
कुछ जो है
Still, I think it's a whale, not the fish. But anyway, still his tail was under the water. Gurudev was explaining
हम तो शास्त्र में पढ़ा
the size of the.
अवतार के कथा सुना
Gurudeva told, I heard in the Shastra about Matsya Avatar.
मत्स्य अवतार है भगवान मछली रूप
Matsya Avatar is the form of God as a fish. Meena Avatar.
केश बधृत मीन शरीर जय जगदीश है किंतु वास्तव रूप में देखा इतनी बड़ी-बड़ी
Yeah,
मछलियां
so there are big fish in the ocean next to Hawaii. Gurudev saw.
आपने कितना बड़ा मछली देखा बताओ
How many fish have you seen?
है किंतु देखो गुरुदेव ने कहा
But Gurudev was explaining, I didn't see this big fish. In Australia, from far I saw, but not from close.
है इतने बड़े-बड़े
Big animals in the
मेरे कहने की यही
ocean.
तात्पर्य
So
है
Matsya Avatar, imagine Matsya Avatar then. So why I was telling all this? Why?
ये उपेंद्र जो भगवान जो रहते हैं स्वर्गलोक में इतने
So there's so much happiness in Swargaloka.
वो सही परिवार के तो उसके पास कुछ ही नहीं है
So even a filthy rich family, like a royal family, even like super rich family in this world, is not even nothing compared to the Swargaloka opulence.
गोल्ड है खाना पीना कैसे
So I told her, for example, how they have so much money and all this. But in Swargaloka, all this money of this world is actually nothing. This opulence is insignificant there compared to their opulence and pleasures and all these things they have there.
तो छोटे भाई को क्या देखा
Okay, so the
मंदिर तो है
younger brother, he saw the temple of Upendra, but there was no one in the temple. No one. Only one pujari was there.
वो भी भागवत पढ़ रहे
And he was reading the Bhagavatam alone, like no one there, no one even to hear the class, because everyone was absorbed in bhog, sense gratification, Nanda Kanan Amrit Bhojan, drinking nectar in the forest of Nanda, so many entertainments.
छोटे भाई के वहीं पर बैठ के जहाँ पर भागवत कथा हो रही
So the younger brother sat down in the Bhagavad Katha in the Upendra temple in
और
Swargaloka.
वहीं पर वही
And this speaker who was reading the Bhagavatam, he was speaking one verse specifically, explaining that where Bhagavad Katha is happening, no, Jamadutas cannot come, Jamaharaj cannot come, not even the father of Jamaharaj can come. Like, so he thought, oh, very nice, I'll just sit down here. He sat down for 24 minutes, 48 minutes, even more, and he didn't go out. After the katha was over, so I need my... Where's my power bank? Power bank? It's mine.
तुमको तो मैंने कहा था 24 मिनट के लिए स्वर्ग में जाने के लिए, तुम इतने समय से कहाँ रहा? उन्होंने कहा स्वर्ग में गया और एक भागवत कथा हुई थी, मैं सुनी। जब महाराज ने कहा भागवत सुन लिया ना, वो चला गया, कहने लगे महाराज ये बताइए,
So he was very clever.
फल क्या है?
So what is the fruit of listening Bhagavad Katha? So he came out. This Jamadutas almost beat him, took him to Jamaraj. So who heard Bhagavad Katha in these 7 days we had?
सुना ही नहीं आप लोग?
You heard or not?
भागवत सुनना चाहिए।
You should have heard the Bhagavatam.
कम से कम एक दिन
At
तो
least
सुनो।
for one day you should have gone to listen to the Bhagavad Katha. Okay, to listen for 7 days is very nice, but at least for one day you should have gone. So the Jamaraj asked this man, why you were so late coming out? What are you doing Swargaloka that you didn't come out in this 24 minutes planned? So he was explaining, I went to the temple and heard Harikatha. What is the benefit of listening to Harikatha? He says, you should have heard the Katha. She said, yes, but I should have taken some time and gone to the Bhagavad. Yes. When Jamaraj will come, you'll say, oh, yeah, now I'll try to get some time to go to the Bhagavatam. I was so busy before. That's why people are saying, oh, when I have some like destiny to go, when it's fated to go, in my fate I will go, when I have some time I will go. But you should have come. You should tell everyone, come to Harikatha. There's only one more day, like today and tomorrow, actually, 2 more days. Listen. So Jamaraj, so this man was very clever. He asked Jamaraj, what is the fruit of listening to the Bhagavatam? Then Jamaraj told him, I cannot tell you exactly, but go to Brahma. Brahma is there in Swargaloka, in Satyaloka. Brahmaji also told, I cannot say. I heard the Chatushloki Bhagavatam from Lord Narayana, but the exact fruit of hearing the Bhagavatam, I don't know. Let's ask another person. Brahmaji himself told, what is the fruit of listening to the Bhagavatam? I cannot tell you. So go to Kailash. Let's go to Shiva. So he went to Shiva. Shivaji is always speaking the Bhagavatam. Who is the speaker of the Bhagavatam? Lord Shiva himself. Speaker of the Bhagavatam. Shiva said, I can also not give, except tell you exactly the fruit. Who can say? Bhagavan Narayana can say. So that person was very clever. He said, from morning to evening, you're taking me here and there, taking me here and there. I cannot go so far. Then Brahmaji all day told, but if you don't go, how Bhagavan will tell this answer? So then everyone told, okay, look, we'll make a palanquin for you. Make a nice palanquin. So he was sitting very nicely. Some demigods taking him on the palanquin, on the shoulder. Oh, I'm feeling hot. Then they started to fan him. The demigods fanned him. He was sitting very nicely. When he came next to the door of Vaikuntha, Vishnu himself told Lakshmi, bring my prasadi mala. Who's coming? My great devotee. Bring my remnants of garland. My great devotee has come. Then Swayam Bhagavan Vishnu himself, he took his own prasadi mala, remnants of garlands. You know, this prasadi mala is not ordinary, the remnant of garlands. Once Narada Rishi, he gave the prasadi mala of Bhagavan to Indra. Indra was a foolish, he did not understand the glories of the remnants of prasada, of the garland of gods. So Indra took that garland remnants and put that garland onto the elephant, Airavat. And the elephant, just with his trunk, put that on the floor and like this step upon. And because of this, Indra lost his kingdom even. He lost his position.
आज समझ देखो ये भगवत प्रसाद जो है इस
So this prasad is not ordinary. This flower offers to God garland. Even I see you offer some of garlands to the devotee. Devotee see, no, I don't want. Then he even like maybe sometimes tears the garland, throws away. So what will happen to this person? Who knows? Foolish people. If you get the garland, if I give you laddu kachori or the sweet, you accept, but the garland, no. So the best sweets in Vrindavana, you'll not throw the. No, I don't want. You'll eat. But the Prasidamala, you think it's only a garland. But you're foolish, you don't know. There is a potency of Bhagavan. Bhagavata explains. This garland given by Lord is as like God, potent as like God Himself. The remnants of God, they have the same potency as God Himself. It is not ordinary. When you offer to Bhagavan, God put all His potency in that thing which is offered to Him. Just like an iron attracts the magnet, and they have the same kind of quality when they are together. So in the same way, whatever is offered to God has also the same potency of Lord after being offered to God.
भगवान उसके क्या की अंदर में ले गए वैकुंठ धाम में.
So this man was taken to Vaikuntha inside. All the demigods were there. Shivji, Brahmaji, all the G's, Ganeshji, all the demigods. How many G's do you know? 4 G's, 5 G's. You know the 5G or 4G? You know the internet connection. All the G's were there. Rama Priya Vaikuntha. So they were in the Rama Priya Vaikuntha, which is a Vaikuntha inside the material world. Under Satyaloka, there is a Vaikuntha who God created, which God created called Rama Priya Vaikuntha. Sometimes Swayam Bhagavan stays with Lakshmi there in Rama Priya Vaikuntha. So they came there. All the demigods asked, this person heard the Bhagavatam, what is the fruit he will get? Bhagavan told, you see, this is the fruit of listening to the Bhagavatam. The person will come to my abode. By hearing Bhagavad Katha, the person attains my abode. This is Khanadar Api Satsanga Sevanidinam. If you get even a little bit time of Sadhusanga, you get all the highest perfection of King. Hey King, even for smallest fraction of time, one love, even like less than a second. If you're in Sadhusanga here, listen to Harikatha, you get so much benefit just in the Sadhusanga. Less than a second. So take 1 second divided by 11, 1/11th of a second. This is called love. This fraction of a second, if you just sit in the association of sadhu for this time, so much fruit you get. Who can describe? Hey King, even for a moment, if you sit in the association of the sadhu and hears Harikatha, only one word you heard from the sadhu, one word, your life will be successful. But imagine if your life completely surrendered to the sadhu, one pointed to the sadhu, listening to Harikatha. Imagine which fruit you will get. So who's associated with the sadhu? Even for love kal means 1/11th of a second. Even for this fraction of a second, you get the association of sadhu, so much fruit you. Rama Priya Vaikuntha. What's that? Huh? What's that? Rama Priya Vaikuntha. Under Satyaloka. Under Satyaloka.